Hey everybody, how's it going out there? For today's video, we have something. S'mores. If you can come in focus. For today's video, I have this machine of s'mores, or whatever this thing is. It's supposed to be a s'more maker. I found this at Goodwill for $4.99. I don't even know if everything is in the box or not, or if it even works. So let's find out, right? Let's inspect this gadget. Looks like it's got papers inside. That's nice. Oh, little instructions. See what else we have. Wow, look at that. It looks like just about everything's in there. I don't see any missing pieces so far. That's weird. Set the box aside. So anyway, this is what it looks like. Sometimes when you get these things at Goodwill, you don't know if everything's going to be in there, but it looks like everything that's supposed to be in there is in there, so that's cool. With the original plastic and stuff. Got some instructions, I'll read those later. So we got a couple little fork. This is funny. Alright. Because normally I just put my s'mores in the microwave. Right? I don't know, how do you do it? Over a fire. It's even got the plastic on the plug still. That is a really short cord. So anyway, I got a cord long enough here. Let's plug it in, see if it even works. Definitely makes a noise. Okay. It's like a leaf blower. I get hot air and like, whoa, it gets really hot very quickly. And you have to unplug it to stop it. Holy cow. That is loud. Graham crackers. Put it on there. Let's see what happens. Break that. Of course it broke all weird. Let's try another one. Break it right in the center. Oh, almost had it. I wonder if this little thing right here. See what happens if I just push it down. Oh, look at that. That was worth every penny. $4.99 at Goodwill. Perfect graham crackers. Dab a marshmallow or two. We'll drop them. Put that right there. Supposed to be able to just pick this up, pull the marshmallow out after it's heated. So let's do that. So the air is just cool to the touch. Turn this thing on, heats it up. Yeah, about 5 seconds. Not even 5 seconds. It's really warm. Really hot. You know, I could throw this thing in the microwave for like 10 seconds. It would be even easier. But oh, I'm like standing up, and this thing is certainly warms up pretty easy. Wow. Turn off the heat. Stick that in there. And we have a mess. Cool. And you have to unplug it to get this thing, the fan to stop. Why can't they have the fan and the heating element in one switch? So let me know, would you use something like this? Or would you just use a microwave or a stove? Personally, I'd probably just go with the microwave, right? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, once again, you take your graham cracker, you use this thing, break it, put your chocolate on, plug this thing in, and then it makes a lot of noise. After you plug it in, you turn on the switch right here on the front. This thing heats up very quickly. Got your marshmallow? Oh, it's making a mess everywhere. Anyway. Then you have to unplug the stupid thing to turn it off. But probably should have left it on there a little while longer. Well, anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to see some more videos like this one, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.